Welcome back to the Arborist. My name is Peter. This video will cover some tree work on some of our beautiful live oaks near Church Street Graveyard. We have two objectives we want to achieve in today's video. We want to improve structural integrity of the trees, and we want to reduce risk. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, hit the post notification bell, and be sure to share this video to your social media feeds. Thank you for watching. I appreciate the support, and I hope you enjoy the video. The live oak you see before you has a couple of concerns we were able to remedy. There were some weak unions, there was a cavity in one of the branches that gave concern for failure, and there was some deadwood that needed to be removed. Keep in mind that reduction pruning on a tree is intended to reduce overall risk and to not interrupt the aesthetic beauty of the tree. When you're working with a live oak, you need some pretty big equipment. Some of these limbs today that were between 15 and 20 foot long weighed anywhere from 1,300 to 2,000 pounds. So as you can imagine, some pretty heavy duty equipment was needed just to simply trim the trees. One of the main reasons why reduction pruning is important for tree preservation is that it can help to reduce the weight and stress on specific branches or parts of the tree that may be weak, damaged, or diseased. By removing these weakened areas, the tree can redistribute its energy and resources to healthier branches, which can help to promote new growth and increase its overall strength and vitality. Reduction pruning can also help to mitigate certain hazards associated with mature trees, such as overhanging limbs, branches that are too close to buildings or power lines, or branches that obstruct pedestrian or vehicle traffic. By selectively removing these hazardous branches, a trained arborist can help to reduce the risk of property damage or personal injury while still preserving the tree's overall form and function. In addition, reduction pruning can help to improve the aesthetic value of a tree by enhancing its natural shape, reducing its density, and improving its overall appearance. This can be particularly important for mature trees in urban or suburban environments where space may be limited and the aesthetic value of trees can have a significant impact on property values and quality of life. So in closing, everybody, reduction pruning is an essential part of tree preservation as it can help maintain the health, safety, and beauty of mature trees while also promoting new growth and ensuring their long-term viability. However, it is important to note that pruning should always be performed by an ISA certified arborist who can correctly assess the specific needs of each tree and determine the best pruning techniques to use. I want to thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Here are 2 additional videos that YouTube thinks you should watch. I'll see you in the next video.